equations using our nth roots. It's the last little bit we gotta learn. Solving equations.
Chemical equations. So,
Yikes. Don't say those words.
I'm liking this unit. It's really good.
Oh, yeah, Steak she's good.
I guarantee if I asked my dad what this was, he would have no idea.
Most parents are out in like 7th grade. They can't keep doing math after 7th grade.
Well, yeah, because they don't use it in real life. They forget it.
My dad uses it in real life.
Mine gave up in
Yeah,
first
my
grade,
dad
so.
specialized schooling for it.
Okay.
I'm not arguing though. I'm just saying unless you're an engineer, you're not going to use it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
that's why
makes math
Jack's
down.
dad.
You're not even gonna use this in
You are.
engineering.
Yeah, my dad. Not my dad, but
My dad has
Okay.
a master's in math.
I'm going into
really?
engineering.
Yeah, I
I'm
think
not
so.
doing
It's
this.
either a bachelor's or a master's.
I think she just meant math in general. Okay, let's go.
No.
4x to the 5th.
Alright, here we go. So solving these equations, same way you would start solving another, like a linear equation if there's only one version of x. Like if this was x to the 5th, there was an x to the 4th, and x to the 3rd, we'd have to solve it by factoring or something like that. We'd have to use one of our other methods. If there's just,
It's 2.
if there's just a singular x to a power, then you can just solve this by isolating this. So we just divide by 4. This should all be very familiar, right? Divide by 4.
What, the numbers or the pains?
128 divided by 4, I'm guessing is 32.
Maybe.
Since you already told me.
Oh, and that's 5. And
Oh, you can just.
2.
Yeah, and then you take, in order to cancel this out, you take the 5th root of both
I already told you it was like 30 seconds
No,
ago.
but still, I put it on my board. It's cooler.
I held it up.
This is an odd root, so it's only going to have one answer. So it's just positive 2.
Theory.
The 5th root of 32.
How do you go to the thingy again where you get this?
Stop using calculator.
I did y
Not
equals.
one answer.
Y equals 4x to the 5th.
How do you get this?
Oh, hey Dave.
Yeah.
Math, and then
Sound
go
like-
down
sound
3.
like that sound.
Yeah.
With, that one.
Sorry, I thought you meant the other thing.
Okay.
Sound like the foghorn.
Why are they all to the
Oh, I can actually go home and play video games today.
I have to go home and work on my truck, and it's gonna be like 50
When was the
degrees.
last time I played a video?
Oh, I still gotta check my oil.
It's been a minute, bro.
My dad's been telling me to do that for weeks and I haven't done it.
How do you say, let's take a poll while you guys are writing this down. How do you say O-I-L?
Oil?
Oil?
Oil. Who says what? What's someone else say?
Oil?
Oil?
What do you say?
I say oil.
As that.
Do you have to say oily? I say oily.
Oh.
I say oil. Oil?
I say oil.
He says like,
Oil
he doesn't like pronounce it like the I roll. It's like
You just
oil.
That's good.
Give me some oil.
It's like, how does your dad? It's so funny because my dad
Okay,
actually has like
that's-
a country accent.
He's a countryman.
How does your dad say foil? Oil? Then it's the same thing as oil with no S.
Okay, then why is GIF GIF? Graphics interchange format. You don't say graphics interchange format. Sorry.
Alright, now if you have parentheses here raised to the 4th power, right, we can't just add 3 to both sides. It's stuck inside here. We have to deal with this first.
Like how you're sticking us in the back.
Take care of this first. So, how do we get rid of the 4th power? What's the opposite?
The square root of 4.
The 4th root. Yeah, so we're going to take the 4th root of the whole thing.
Of course.
We have to, and
Okay,
remember,
excuse me,
any-
whatever the box is.
every time you're doing one thing to one side, you must do it to the other side, okay?
Yeah,
So that cancels this out, and now all of that goes away, and we just have x minus 3 equals. Now, we're taking an even root of a number. So what does that mean? How many solutions? We have 2. So positive or negative square root of 21, because we don't know what that is. That's a decimal.
Is
So
it whack?
2.1406.
So you
But now
don't,
we
you
add
don't,
3.
you just
Don't-
leave that out?
Yeah,
Like just leave it like
Do we
that?
need the 4?
Ah.
We don't need the 4 anymore? I was like, I think we need the 4.
I'm sorry. Yes, thank you.
Or we just do nothing with it.
Jack.
No, now we're trying to isolate x,
You
so
can
now
call
we
him
add
Bill.
3.
Oh my goodness.
So this is going to be really icky looking.
This is
3
very
plus or minus the 4th root of 21.
Ew.
Depending on what whoever you have, like this is a very exact answer. You could also round this if you're looking for something exact. So we say x is about, and this is where we would use our calculator.
Ms. Brown,
So-
why'd you do it like that? Why does it look like that?
The squiggle?
Yeah.
Because we're gonna have to round this, and that's what you use for approximately. This is equals, right? This equals exactly this. We're gonna have to round this, so this means it kind of equals.
5.15.
Higher math.
Okay. So 3, first we have to do plus, 3 plus, and then if you want to use the fourth root, you go math. Some of your calculators, you have to put the 4 in first.
Oh,
This,
my goodness.
And then we got the fourth root of 21.
Dang,
Okay, so about 5.14.
Excuse me.
And now we gotta do minus.
Wait, why do you put plus and not?
Because we have to do both. We have to do plus
Oh, okay.
this
Minus
and
3
then minus.
plus 3.
And remember, you can go up here and highlight this, and if you hit enter, it'll retype it, and then you could just go back and change put your cursor over the plus and just hit minus.
Oh, would you press the original?
That's some.
You just scroll up, you just use your
Okay,
arrows,
and press it.
and then hit, yeah. And so once you got that, then you hit enter.
Point
So
8.
would it be like, so it'd be point
It'll be 1.0.
0.86.
9?
So well, if I'm rounding to 2 decimal places, I'll do.
Yes.
So this is more exact, but that's hard to like, I don't know, can't really visualize that number in my head. So this is about 5.14 and
Sorry.
about 0.8. Okay, let's do maybe
The
just
gym hits pipe.
maybe 2 more of these for practice, then I can give you your homework, okay?
Never in.
Or would you guys like to try one?
What?
Yes.
No.
Okay,
Excuse me?
Kaylee says yes, we will do it.
But if one person says yes and the rest of the class doesn't say anything, I think that's unanimous, so we shouldn't do it. You know what I'm saying?
Here you go.
No, that's what drug you said. I use my vocab where I can, man. What?
Okay, freeze it. I'll do it with it frozen so you can't see.
Exactly. See, Jack's got it down.
What? Ms. Brown, I don't like this at all.
Oh, it could be plus and minus, so. Oh.
That's why I'm using my phone calculator if you don't know what I'm doing.
Oh.
Let's see.
Bless you.
Nope, it went away.
That's you.
I feel like I did this wrong. I mean,
You did.
thank you.
Boom.
welcome.
Let's go.
There's gonna be a lot of video watching in my future.
Like I did that. I feel
If
like
I
I
don't,
did
if
wrong.
I don't
I
get this
think I
homework
see
done
it.
before I leave school,
What is it?
I will cry. I will cry
First
myself.
one's not.
If you don't
First
want
one's
it,
easy.
Are you
The
sure?
second one's not the right sign.
So the first one?
Did I do this wrong?
I think
Oh
they
my
did it
gosh,
wrong.
I'm so dumb.
I was like,
We
how
know.
is it not
Yeah.
that in?
Hang on, is it this
So
one?
dumb.
Did you get this?
I got.
I wrote that 64 divided by
Yes.
8 is 64.
Did anyone else do the D?
Maybe I got that one.
What did you
Maybe I
say?
got that one wrong.
No.
Put him in the bag.
Wait, I'm about to do number
Oh, yeah, I
D,
got
or whatever. So don't do it.
Number D.
Uh-oh.
Wait, Miss Brown.
No, I said I wasn't gonna hit the freshman as hard because I don't. I was gonna leave that to y'all.
Yeah.
You know how Drew called me a BJ last night? I'm making an exception.
Well, but also
Brown,
remember
That was so funny.
I did
There's
not
2
like that.
answers.
He texted me. He was
Just like
like,
we did before when you take
what
the
does
odd
she mean
root,
by
you got
BJ?
2.
odd,
I was
make
like,
it a pop.
I think
I was making fun for your typo. I was like, what typo? I was like,
Dave. Dave.
Should I reveal?
Wait,
No, not yet.
I'm checking my
Dave.
answers. with
When
my
you take the
friends.
4th root of 16, what do you get?
2.
And?
I haven't gotten there yet.
-2.
And
Hurry up,
-2.
David.
I like it right there.
You're telling
Oh,
me-
that's what it was. Yeah.
Wait, don't say it yet.
I thought it was
Did
just
you get
regular.
this?
No, Bella, I think I was right.
Oh,
No, wait, you were right. Dang it.
Zero, I think. I did the same. I think I get.
It is
I think it's just.
Is there, hold on, is it the same 2 numbers for the answer?
That was
One's negative, one's positive. Oh, no.
When it's set up like this with the parentheses, and you have to fourth root it first, then you have. Okay, here we go.
Oh
Because if you
no.
have 2,
Okay,
Oh.
this one should be 2. That I made a mistake. Sorry. So that.
Oh,
should be
because
2.
you move it over.
Now,
Oh.
when you take the fourth root here, you get positive and negative 2. So you've got x plus 5 equals 2, and x plus 5 equals negative 2. When you solve those, you get
Whoa.
Oh, but so for
I was trying to
odd,
fix
the
this.
odd exponent, it would be just positive.
just one answer. Yeah.
Man, I thought
For
it was.
even, if it's
Homework
even, then you
time.
get 2 answers.
Oh yeah, can we do
bad.
homework now?
I know what I goofed up.
And don't we have a quiz next period?
Yeah.
Let's finish this homework quick.
3 allied powers.
I remember 6 parts
Okay.
of it.
There is a section on here that says evaluate using your calculator. Do you know how to use your calculator to do the roots? There's a section that says evaluate without,
This
and
is
then
the
one
only
that
thing I
says
actually
evaluate
know how to do.
Okay.
They think we're not gonna use that.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I don't have a calculator. Mr. Brown, let me use a calculator.
Hey, Kinley.
Let's see. Which one's it?